This is a quick unboxing of my new Cort guitar. It's the limited edition Cort Natural Black. I picked it up from the shop that I usually buy my instruments from. It's Museum Musicals based out of Chennai. Kishore was good enough to give me a good deal, so here goes. So it comes with a hard case, and let's see. Wow. You get the Allen screw in one nut. The case comes with a deep maroon felt which looks just awesome. This is the first look of the guitar. It's a concert shaped guitar, all solid woods. The front is European spruce, master grade spruce, which is, I think they call it trans black. The back and sides are an awesome solid wood mahogany. The grains are just fantastic in the light. I just love the design of the headstock with the gold tuners. They just look awesome. It's a 25.5 scale length guitar with I guess these are called block inlays. The fret edges are hand rolled, super smooth, and with the Venetian cutaway, great access to the lower frets. As you go down, there's this beveled edge. The concert guitar as it is compact, and the beveled edge is just awesome, extremely comfortable to play on. The neck profile is asymmetric, and they've got a walnut reinforcement, so it's going to be super stable. There is these beautiful dual sound ports on the side, and the pickups in the guitar are the Fishman Matrix Infinity. Just look at the wood, look at the grain, and there's a satin neck, so quite comfortable. The nut is 45 millimeters, so great for finger picking. Has a full gloss top with an ebony bridge, and the bridge pins to are ebony, and I think this is a Graph Tech nut here and a Graph Tech nut there, and go to tuners, gold. Awesome.